Today in this video I want to show how to change battery in the fossil crystalline watch that is combo of mechanical and analog design. And I can see the mechanical part is working and second hand is moving. So we will focus on replacing battery in this particular fossil watch, and I will open it. And to open we need to remove this spring bar. And then we can leave it in this position, or I can remove another spring bar so we can work on watch only. Opening the case, and we can see the mechanical part movement. This is, I call it flywheel, or some call it weight. When it rotates, it's charging the mainspring with help of this whole mechanical movement. This is the mainspring here, but we need to replace battery. So if I will turn this wheel, we can see the battery compartment here. We need to unscrew these two screws just to get to the battery. One and two. I can remove this movement holder, taking out these two small screws. Lifting this cover. And here is the battery. So there is some way to remove battery. This is new one, and I need to direct it so it will go under this cover, and I push it, and that spring holding it in position. So before closing this compartment, I will check if hands are moving. If these hands start to move, let's see if this minute hand will jump. Yeah, it jumped. It means the movement started to work, and then I am going to put back this cover. And these two screws. And this is another one. Okay, so it's done, and checking again if hands are moving, and they were moving all the time. It was 3 or 2 minutes to 2 o'clock, and now it's 2:30 3 minutes past or 2 minutes past 2. So the task is accomplished, and I can put back the movement holder. It could be seen that while I was assembling the watch, hands moved further, and so analog movement works fine. At the same time, the mechanical part is also working, and we can see that second hand on its subdial is moving. So that's it for this video. Hope it could be helpful for those who want to replace the battery by themselves. And if you like this video, please leave me the like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.